Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to hop right into it. I am showing you how I got rid of my daughter's cradle cap. I'm so sorry I don't have a better shot. I'm not using my ring light. I'm just using regular bathroom light. So I hope you could see it as good as possible. So I just start off with wetting her hair. And then what I'm going to be using is this shampoo. And I got everything in this video from Target, and it is called Mustela. Just put it exactly where her cradle cap is. And I also got this brush specifically for cradle cap. And I just work my hand in circular motions. This little brush does not hurt at all. It is so soft, but I love that it actually gets everything out. And throughout the video, I'm going to be showing you what the brush looks like. And this is how it's starting off in that just one spot. But I just continue to do that. And you can also add more of that shampoo as you go along. And to keep her entertained, I just have her little bath book. And I also just have Doc McStuffins playing on her little tablet. That is her show. Well, actually, it's my show too. I love that show. So anyways, I just continue to do that to her hair. And as you can see, it's already came out. It's super fast. It doesn't take a lot. I thought that it would hurt or that it would be stuck to her head, but it just came off so easily. And I just continue to do that in all the other spots, and just remember to do it in a circular motion. And like I said, I got all the products from Target, but I'm sure you could get them off of Amazon or anywhere else, but I'll be sure to link them down below for you. So let me know down below if your child has also had cradle cap and what have you used to cure it, or if you have used this product before, because for me, this product works so well. I would definitely recommend it. Ryan Little. And this is what the brush is looking like now after I've done a few other spots in her hair. So I just go ahead and continue to do it just a little bit more. So I want to show y'all a side by side of how her hair looks already. And you see how quick and easy and fast this was in just one bath time? Ugh, love it. So this was the end result after all of it. So I actually seen after I took her out of the bath that there's just a little spot that I missed, but I'll do that next bath time. But this really helps. The bristles are super soft, so you don't have to worry about it hurting. So after I got her all lotioned up and dressed, I'm just going to put a few drops of jojoba oil on her scalp, exactly where I took all of that out of her hair. And I'm just going to rub it in with my fingertips as well. And y'all, she is so nosy. Like, this part was so hard to record because she kept wanting to look at the camera and everything with those big old pretty eyes. And I also put it on the back of her hair. I am using something else to help her with that bald spot in the back, but that will be another video. Her hair is growing because it was a little worse than that, but I will show y'all that on another video. But here's a close-up of her hair, and that's basically it, y'all. I love that product, and it helped so much. So let me know what you think. And if you want some more baby videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video.